wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding wheelchairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Invacare Tracer EX2 provides the same level of design and technology as more expensive models, like true dual-axle positioning, but it does so at an affordable price. It's a solid and reliable option that packs easily into a car trunk or cargo space. It offers a customizable wheel placement and full-length removable arms. However, it requires wide door clearances. At number 9, there's no amount of extra padding and tweaking that will make a model built for adults kid-friendly enough for anything more than occasional use. But the wenzelite Wallaby is designed, sized and configured with children's and their caregivers' needs in mind. It comes with an optional headrest and H harness and is WC19 bus transit approved, but the arm and leg rest adjustments are tricky. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Drive Medical Cruiser 3 has a carbon steel frame, maintenance-free mag-style wheels and 3-position front casters for a smooth and stable ride. Room for custom back inserts and accessories means it can be an exceptionally comfortable fit too. It features an adjustable seat depth and weighs just under 36 pounds. However, its maneuverability is far from ideal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wheelchairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, as zippy as it is rugged, the foldawheel PW1000XL makes getting around a good bit easier, so you can spend less time figuring out how to navigate treacherous territory on your route and focus on what you've got planned for the day. It opens and closes in seconds and handles slopes of up to 13 degrees, but the footrest isn't removable. Moving up our list to number 6. The Nova heavy-duty transport features an extra-wide seat, large rear wheels, and feather-touch locking brakes. While it's built tough and can hold up to 400 pounds, it still packs down to take up a minimal amount of space for storage. It's equipped with flip-up desk arms, an adjustable seat belt, and comfortable hand grips. Halfway up our list at number 5. Rugged all-terrain tires and an exceptionally easy folding action make the Lite Cruiser HD DX12 a handy all-rounder, and when you add a second battery to power through 20 or more miles on a single charge, you've got everything you need to get from A to B without a hitch. It offers a right or left side controller mount, a heavy-duty design, and a 5-position recline. At number 4, propelled by 200-watt brushless motors, the forcemech Voyager R2 is a practical solution for easy maneuvering at the touch of a joystick. It offers a roomy and comfortable seat in a quick folding design that packs into a car trunk for transport. It features an ergonomic configuration and intelligent electromagnetic brakes. It's suitable for air travel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Nova Transport brings simplicity and ease of use to outings with a companion or caregiver. With low-profile 12-inch rear wheels, feather grip brakes on the handles, and flip-back armrests for stress-free transfer, it's an affordable and convenient option. It's lightweight and compact with a 300-pound capacity. It's great for use as a backup. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wheelchairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for powerful portable mobility, the forcemech Navigator has a range of up to 16 miles on a full charge. With nearly 400 pounds of capacity, it's built to handle almost any terrain and inclines of up to 12 degrees, but collapses without a hitch for compact cargo storage. It comes with dual lithium-ion batteries, a 250-watt brushless motor, and a detachable joystick controller. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the versatile Karman s-ergo 305 is streamlined with a specially designed back support to promote healthy posture and reduce the risk of pressure sores, plus optional quick-release wheels that pop off at the touch of a button for easy travel wherever you need to go. It's available in 16 and 18-inch widths with swing-away foot pads and adjustable flip-up armrests. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wheelchairs, or simply click beneath this video.